Okay guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the TradeNet introduction course for $500, and I'm going to talk to you about how to get a fully funded account of up to $14,000 of real money which you can trade with, and you can keep 70 to 75% of the profit, so stay tuned. One of the things I want to talk about is the TradeNet introduction pack, that they sell you a course for $500 and they give you a fully funded account of $14,000. This to me sounded too good to be true, but I can assure you it is legitimate, it is real, and I was very surprised as well that you do receive a $14,000 account when you purchase the introduction pack for $500. So what that is they're basically teaching you how to trade the stock market overall from start to finish, and they give you an account of $14,000 to trade with of live real money. You get to keep up to 70 to 75% of the profits you make. Now one of the obviously conditions in that is if they only allow you to lose a certain amount, and you have to kind of pass the standard of what it takes to trade. So if you are up there with the standard of trading and you pass and you qualify to get that account, you are obviously given an account, like we said, of $14,000 to trade with. Now there is a limit that you can lose. Once you lose that limit, the account is closed. But this is a great advantage, I think, for anybody looking to get in the stock market. This is a huge opportunity for people to take, and I think you have a great bonus here with the TradeNet, and that was one of my kind of turn-ons towards the course. Not only do you get great education, you do get a fully funded account. So maybe that's just something to think about if you are thinking about education and you are thinking about a course. Maybe TradeNet might be the one for you. So guys, if you are thinking of the TradeNet course, there is a link in the description below, so help me help you. Also, I'm proud to say I'm the only one that can offer a lifetime discount of $50 for the TradeNet course. It is in the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you.